Hey y'all, welcome back. We're going to be discussing the oil pump on the JZs today. I see a lot of these coming from the factory drier and drier. There's no oil in there, there's no lubrication. So I'll show you the preventative measures that I take to make sure that I don't blow my engine or my oil pump. Stay tuned.
We'll start by turning the pump over and removing the screws holding the back plate on. Let's remove the back plate and take a look. And it's dry. Aww. This is literally all the lubrication it has. Mark the gears for orientation and we can begin to remove the gears. Dry. And again, dry. Let's flip the pump over and undo the pressure relief valve bolt. We're going to want to inspect the valve itself. You guessed it, dry.
Oh, come on, man.
Let's apply assembly lube to the pump itself and drop in the gears. Apply lube to the gears as well. Install the back plate and screws. I like to use blue thread lock around the screws to ensure they don't back out. Torque the screws to the specs shown. Now let's lube up the valve itself and reinstall the assembly. Lastly, we'll torque the valve bolt to the specs shown.
And that's all there is to it. Spending a couple minutes on the pump will give you that peace of mind that you need. Thanks for watching. See you next time.